How's the movie?
It's very good.
I enjoyed a lot. Auntie should have come.
Come with me.
Hey, move away.
Of course, brother, we would step aside. Just close your eyes for 5 minutes.
No, Anil. Don't get into a fight with them. Let's
I
go.
will deal. I said I will deal.
Anil,
Hey, what man? What's your problem?
please.
We have had enough to drink. Nothing entertaining. Very sexy. Leave her.
Please, Anil.
You
Let's
just
go,
keep quiet.
please. Let's go.
Hey, come.
Anil!
Satya, run! Satya, run! Run away!
Leave me, please.
Sir, 3 men injured my son-in-law and my daughter.
Your daughter?
My daughter. They raped my daughter.
Is that she told you?
No one will lie in these kind of things. It really happened.
Ask her to tell me. You should tell me. If you tell on your own only, I can feel all those things. Then only the visualization will be clear. Then I can write the complaint very clear. Tell me, madam.
I'll tell you, sir. My husband and I were returned after watching a movie. 3 guys stopped us. and they gravely injured my husband and raped me.
Where?
Ramnagar Road, sir.
Around what time?
Last night at 10:30.
How many members?
3 member.
How many times did they done this? How many times? Tell me. How many times? If you come to station, you should tell me. Tell me, then only I can write the complaint. Ask her to tell me. Venkat Rao,
Sir.
they will tell you something.
Okay,
You
sir.
should take the details.
Okay, sir.
Do you recognize them?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. You just give the complaint and go. If I get them, I'll call you. Give us your number.
Okay, sir.
Note it from them.
Okay, sir.
You may go.
Who are they?
Hey, you were the 7th member. You also 7th complaint. I think you look much better.
Chee.
I think women these days are strength from one another getting bolder.
Every woman is complaining to the police. Specifically this station only.
I will never leave you. Definitely, I'll get you all arrested.
To rape her all we need mood. But for you we need double mood. Right now we don't have double mood. Wait until that comes.
Phew. Let's go. Come. We'll meet the police officer.
The case is really strong. If you give me 10,000, I'll leave you. Then there will be no case against you and you can go to your home and peacefully sleep.
How much did you sell yourself for?
What did you say, rascal?
I'm speaking the truth.
Go.
Those culprits are threatening us right in front of your station and you're not arresting them.
Listen here. No girl in the world will complain about her life is ruined. She will never lie about it publicly, that too in police station. If she really does it, it's only because of the hope that justice will be done here.
Wow, I have seen many cases like this. If people had money like them, you would target them and make a fake complaint and blackmail them, and then you used to go to press and finally bargain with them. I know everything.
Let's go, auntie. We wouldn't get any justice here. It's because he has taken their money. He is supporting those rich men. We wouldn't get justice here.
Mind your tongue.
I will say the same thing. We are not the kind to sell ourselves or for money or track people through the press. Let me see how I won't get my justice. Let's go, auntie.
Sir, Satya's mother had seen you outside, I think. They came and fought to me. They just threatened me regarding this, sir.
If they are roam outside, it's a problem. If they are locked up in jail, there is no problem.
Sir, I mean...
Nonsense. You are the police officer. Arrest them in any cases, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. Satya! Satya! I think she's very rich. Satya! Satya!
Who is it? What brings you by? Did you arrest any of those men?
I came here to arrest Satya. Call your daughter. Tell her to come fast.
Why?
Sir, what happened? Why are you talking so loudly?
Wow, 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 wow. What an actress you are. Even you are doing prostitution. To make a good opinion on you, you used to make a fake complaint on others, right? I came here to arrest on the prostitution case.
Prostitution? What are you talking about?
First come to station, then we can talk.
Sir?
Hey, Satya, I came here to arrest you.
Sir, my daughter is not that kind of girl. My daughter is already in lot of pain and suffered a lot. Please leave her.
Don't tell me these kind of
leave
things,
her.
okay? Go to court and say, hey, come!
They have sought revenge upon us, sir. Even if we die, we won't do this kind of business, sir. We are a reputed family, sir. We came here numerous times for justice. Is this why she is wrong? Please don't treat her unjustly. Just because they gave you some money. Please don't do this to her, sir. Please, sir.
Wait a second.
Please.
Listen to me. See, I have some proof your daughter has slept with many other guys. All those who slept with her was in that cell. Hey! She's a great woman.
She slept with me like that only, sir.
Hey, what about you, da?
She told me she won't sleep without condom, sir.
Don't close your ears. First close your mouth and go from here.
Please, sir.
Now you know, right? Why I have arrested her? Answer me. I have heard that your daughter is a great entertainer. 1 week. After I enjoy, I'll leave her.
Sir,
Go.
please don't do that,
Go.
Sir, please, sir.
Everything will be fine.
You heard it correct. Your aunt is died. Currently in mortuary. What do we do now?
Sir, please let me go once. Please, sir. I'm begging you. I need to see my auntie once. Please, sir. Sir, please, sir. Sir, my auntie raised me since I was young. Please, sir. Let me have one last look at her. I beg you, sir, please.
Why are you getting tense? You can go happily.
All right, sir.
Just do me a favor for me. Just make me happy once. Just once. You just sleep with me
Please,
once.
sir.
That's it.
I'm the only relative my auntie has. Please,
Hey,
sir. I'm requesting
if you didn't do this, then your aunt's body will taken by the municipality people. Don't forget. Just remember that.
Please think about it. I beg you, sir, please. Sir, please try and understand me. Sir, please.
Just once.
Just once, sir. Please, sir. Please send me out. Sir, I beg you, sir, please, sir. I'll bow to your feet. Please, sir. Please, sir. Only one time, sir. Please, sir.
Do you need to see her or not?
I want to see her, sir. I want to see her. Please, sir.
What is this, son? Woodcutter's daughter has come here to see you?
No, Daddy. She's just my friend. Daily I drop her in Jeep.
Hey, I'm your father. If you get married to her, you will get nothing in return in life which will be useful. If she becomes your wife, you will have nothing called life. You marry the girl I select, you will have a shining life, da. Look, my son, if you really wish for her, eat and spit.
I'm your son, Daddy.
It's going to rain now. Shall we go?
No, we'll finish our work, then we'll leave. Okay? Rainwear stopped. I'll finish up my work now. Sorry, I got bit emotional. I'm sorry.
You showed up your own character, right? Why do you take it in a wrong way if a girl make friendship with boy? I had to become a good teacher. It's my dad's dream. I had to make my dad's dream come true. He's not my dad. He's standing in my dad's place and he's taking care of my studies. He should not get bad name because of me. I made a mistake. I should not talk and I should not do friendship with you, Knight. From now onwards, you will never have place in my life.
Come on. Come on. Come this way. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Kill. Come on. Kill. Come this way. Kill. Kill. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
She called me after a long time.
Kill.
Looks like I'm going to have a good time.
Come on. Come on. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come
Hey,
on.
what you are thinking in your mind? I'm trying to come in closer. You push me away? What are you doing on that phone?
I'm playing PUBG game online. Don't disturb.
I am here waiting for your attention. What are you doing on the phone?
There are 30 people online for me. If you want to stay, stay or else go.
Huh?
Come on, come on, come
Hey,
on.
can't you see
Come
how
on.
frustrated I am?
Kill. Come on. Come on. Listen, if you disturb me once again, I'll shoot you. Come on. Yes. Oh.